Hello guys, it's just a few days past Thanksgiving and I'm having a good time. I definitely don't want to eat any more turkey. I ate a lot of turkey. Yeah. Stuffing's my favorite. Stuffing and mashed potatoes are definitely my favorite. I know some of you like turkey and cranberries and I can't forget about the apple pie. The apple pie is probably actually the best of them all. And yeah, let's do some origami. Let's fold an origami boat. Right, so the first thing to do is you take a square of paper and we're going to make a square base. So we fold in half like this. So it's going in half like that. Make sure to align your folds nice and neatly. And don't forget to crease sharply. So yeah. Have a nice end. A couple days after Thanksgiving. Tomorrow's my last day of the weekend. I have to go back to school. So it's like this. Now, I'm just going to unfold. So it's like this. And I have a big line. I'm going to fold in half this way now. So there's a nice and big crease through the middle, as you can see. Now I'm going to hold it so that the open side is right here. Like that. I'm going to take the closed side and I'm going to fold it down so it's open at the bottom. Open at the bottom, see? Open. I'm just folding it along that crease. So now I have a flap like this. I'm just going to crease it down. And now I'm going to turn it over so I have no flaps. I'm going to repeat, fold it along the crease. Now we're making a square base and, well, it might look like we're making a water bomb. And this is going to be a very confusing part. Might be a little tricky too. It's probably going to be the trickiest part of the model. But I'm sure you guys can do it. So, see how I'm holding it so that the point is facing me? I'm going to hold it so that I have these two flaps on the side, okay? And put my finger in that pocket and just shove it in there. And now I'm just going to kind of squash it. I'm just going to shove it in there and squash it. Now, I'm just going to do it one more time, show you guys. So it's like this. I'm just going to, I'm just going to show you guys one more time. So I'm just going to, so it's a triangle now. I'm just going to shove my hand in the bottom. For that, I'm just going to squash it. Now, I'm going to fold this up here. So I have the open edge. I'm just going to fold it like this up. Not this side, but this side. Now, I have this flap here, just like this. Turn around and repeat right here. So it's like this. Now I'm just going to do a minor miracle fold. So this is going to be a little bit tricky, but I'm sure you can pull it off. We're just going to hold it like this. I'm going to just turn paper, kind of turn it, I'm just going to open that. Now I'm just going to fold this flap here up and turn over, this flap here up. So now I have a nice triangle, and we're just about done. Just going to open right here. I'm just going to just open it like this. In the bottom slightly, like this. Hold it like this. Now normally we would use a rectangle, so a lock and pop. And now we're just going to open it and make sure that we don't have anything that is crumpled inside the point, because that's a big deal, but yeah. So we're just going to squish it back down. Now we're just going to fold this up here over so that we get a point. And now we just have to make the boat by doing this. I'm just going to hold it on the bottom. Just going to pull this flap out. This flap here out, okay. Pull the other side flap out, okay. More like that. And make sure there's no crumples in here, and then I'm just going to fold it back like this. See, I have a sail, okay, sailboat, and now I'm just going to fold. This is also a little tricky. I'm just going to fold this up here, up like that to there. So it's like this. I'm going to unfold, turn it over, fold it like this. It's like this. Now I just unfold. And I just open the bottom a little bit, so it's like this. That. I'm just gonna. It's gonna be a little tricky, but I'm gonna push. Just gonna pinch on these. Pinch and push. Pinch on that square. Pinch along that square. Pinch along it. So now it's like this. It's a table. I'm just gonna collapse the table. It's tricky. Fold it like this. Fold this flap. Now it's like this. Do another minor miracle fold. And your sailboat is complete. Dun 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 dun. Wait, I'm just gonna draw a little bit on it. So it looks creepy. Yeah, let's get some drawing. Get some drawing in. That has to be the worst school face I've ever drawn. But let's also add a crow nest. There we go, there's a crow nest. Let's add just some cannons. Just a quick little sketch. There's your pirate ship. And if you want, you can always add a little bit of extra details by just doing a little bit of that, separating them. It's like this. By doing a little bit of that, and then just squashing it back down. A little bit of a sailish, almost like. And just doing it a little bit on this side here. like this. And your pirate ship is complete. Slash boat. Your boat. Or sailboat, I guess. I don't know why I called it a boat in the beginning. It's more like a pirate ship. And yeah. I hope you have a nice and wonderful day. Say goodbye to Sharpie. Sharpie.